Welcome thrill seekers and e-bike enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of raw power, insane torque, and lightning-fast rides as we count down the top 5 fastest e-bikes built to dominate 2026. From sleek carbon fiber speed machines to heavy-duty monsters built for off-road chaos, these bikes aren't just about commuting. They're about pushing limits, breaking boundaries, and experiencing the future of electric speed. Buckle up, because what you're about to see will redefine how fast an e-bike can really go. HappyRun G100 Pro. The HappyRun G100 Pro is a powerhouse e-bike built for thrill seekers and everyday riders who demand speed, durability, and range. At its core is a 3,000-watt motor that peaks at 6,000 watts, pushing this machine to an impressive 50 miles per hour in Class 5 off-road mode and over 28 miles per hour in commuter mode. Powered by a massive 72-volt 33Ah dual battery system, it delivers up to 78 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for long adventures without constant recharging. The frame is crafted from durable high-carbon steel, capable of supporting riders up to 400 pounds, while hydraulic disc brakes and a full suspension system with front and rear shocks ensure smooth control, stability, and safe stopping power even on rough trails. A sunshade-equipped LED display gives you clear ride data at a glance, and the modern NFC card unlock adds convenient security. Combining raw power, comfort, and smart features, the HappyRun G100 Pro stands out as one of the fastest and most reliable e-bikes. Tromox MC10. The Tromox MC10 is a powerful dual-purpose e-bike built to dominate both city streets and rugged trails with ease. Its 12.5 kilowatt peak power motor delivers thrilling acceleration, reaching up to 75 kilometers per hour with a single battery, or an impressive 90 kilometers per hour with the dual battery setup. A 72-volt 30Ah lithium battery provides up to 120 kilometers of range, while fast charging ensures just 3 hours for one battery or 6 hours for two, keeping downtime minimal. With inverted spring hydraulic front suspension and a mid-mounted rear shock, the ride stays smooth and stable, even over tough terrain. The 3.6-inch adjustable color display offers clear visibility, while full LED lighting with headlights, turn signals, and taillights enhances safety. Adding a modern touch, it comes equipped with NFC and Bluetooth for remote unlocking, app integration for ride tracking, and real-time diagnostics via the M-Space 3.0 system. Lightweight, yet full of tech and power, the Tromox MC10 redefines smart performance in an e-bike. Solar E-Clipse 2.0 Race Edition. The Solar E-Clipse 2.0 Race Edition takes electric biking to the next level with an incredible 16,000-watt peak motor, delivering 15.6 horsepower and speeds of up to 65 miles per hour or even beyond 70 miles per hour with carbon fiber rims. Its 72-volt 45Ah LG battery provides up to 70 miles of range, ensuring long and powerful rides without compromise. Designed with a full hand-woven carbon fiber frame, swing arm, and wheels, it offers unmatched durability, lightweight agility, and a sleek racing look. The upgraded quad-piston hydraulic brakes with race pads and floating discs guarantee precise stopping power, while the fully adjustable KKE suspension adapts to any terrain for a smooth, controlled ride. An advanced 600A controller delivers sharp power response, and a full-color LCD display keeps all your ride data accessible. Added features like fast charging, removable battery, remote lock and alarm, customizable wheels, and IP67 water resistance make the E-Clipse 2.0 Race Edition a true fusion of speed, technology, and style. HPC Revolution W. The HPC Revolution W is a hand-built, limited-edition electric super e-bike created for riders who want unmatched speed, range, and craftsmanship. Powered by a massive 10,500-watt custom DC hub motor, it produces 280 nanometer of torque and hits an incredible top speed of 80 miles per hour, while still offering up to 100 miles of throttle-only range. Its USA-made, aerospace-grade 6061 T6 aluminum frame, reinforced with forged carbon panels, ensures durability and lightweight strength, while 9 inches of travel combined with the EXT Ferro 200mm fork and Arma MX rear shock deliver race-level suspension performance. Braking is handled by Magura Gustav dual-piston calipers with huge 223mm rotors, providing rock-solid stopping power at extreme speeds. Built with custom 19-inch moto-style rims, Shinko 244 tires, and premium White Industries hubs, it balances agility with stability. A 5.5-inch TFT smart display and variable thumb throttle add high-tech control. With only 27 units ever made, the HPC Revolution W is more than a bike. It's an engineering masterpiece built for pure adrenaline. Cyclone Big Boy. The Cyclone Big Boy is a powerhouse electric bike built for serious riders who crave speed, torque, and durability. With motor options up to 23 kilowatt, producing a massive 200 nanometer of torque, it can rocket past 90 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest e-bikes available. Its stainless steel frame is engineered for strength and resilience, paired with motorcycle-grade suspension that includes a double-cylinder fork, TR suspension link system, and a huge 260mm rear shock to handle rough terrain with ease. Power is delivered by high-capacity lithium-ion batteries like a 72-volt 30-hour setup, ensuring extended range for long, demanding rides. Stopping power matches the speed with heavy-duty disc brakes, available in 2 or 4 piston configurations for maximum control. Riders can choose between a standard chain drive or a premium Gates carbon belt system for quieter, low-maintenance performance. A programmable FOC controller with an LCD display keeps everything in check, while 19-inch wheels and aggressive off-road tires complete its rugged, high-performance design. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 fastest e-bikes. Each one proves that the future of riding is all about speed, power, and cutting-edge design. Which one would you dare to ride first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Grid Zone for more epic rides and next-level tech. Until next time, keep the wheels spinning fast.